make sure that the cold water is going to the fireplace. Make sure that the hot and the cold water from the geyser is on, flowing. This is the HydroFire fireplace. Step 1 is to make sure that the exit valve is closed. That is the exit valve. It is now closed. This is the gauge on the fireplace. You've got to make sure that the temperature does not exceed 85 degrees, and you've got to make sure that the pressure doesn't exceed 2 bar.
Go.
This is the hot water out from the fireplace. You've got to make sure that that is open. Tell me when.
Yeah.
This is the pump on the HydroFire fireplace. You've got to make sure that the valve at the top and the valve at the bottom are both open. This is the pump control. You can hear that the pump goes off at a higher temperature and the pump comes on at a lower temperature. We keep it at a low temperature to make sure that the impeller in the pump doesn't melt. This is the plug that turns the fireplace pump on, both at the fireplace and at the geyser wise system. You've got to make sure that the power is on. It's got to be uninterrupted power. This is the geyser wise unit. This shows you the temperature, and it should show you whether the pump is running or not. If you press these two buttons, it shows you the fireplace temperature. This is the temperature just outside the fireplace. The sensor is just as close to the fireplace. And this is the temperature on the geyser side, so on the other side of the heat exchanger. This is on the fireplace side of the heat exchanger. This is on the geyser side of the heat exchanger. This temperature must not go higher than 85 degrees. If it goes higher than 85 degrees, this is what you must do. If the temperature exceeds 85 degrees, then you close these two and then the fire will get. Please use your gloves whenever touching anything of the fireplace. As the fire gets hotter, you then watch the temperature and it will go up. As people use the hot water, the temperature goes down. The fire is all turned off. And now I'm going to open it up and add more wood so that we can get the temperature higher. Grab a nice big piece and we put that inside. Grab a nice round piece, put that inside, and there's a little fire from before. Then using the gloves, we close it and we leave these two open until it gets to go nicely. The fire is now ready.